everyone, welcome to this learning video on the content completeness application in HIS2. This tool has been developed by Haptic Solutions in collaboration with the Ministry of Health to strengthen data quality assurance across our health information system. Content completeness is a key dimension for data quality. Today, you will learn how to use content completeness application to ensure that health dataset not only marked as complete but also truly contains the required information. በዲኤችኤስ2 ዳታ የሚያስገባ ሰው አንድ ዳታ ሴት ላይ ዳታ እያስገባ የተወሰነ ዳታ ብቻ አስገብቶ ያን ዳታ ሴት ኮምፕሊት ሊያዩ ይችላል። ይህ ብዙ ጊዜ የሚታይ ችግር ነው። ያ ዳታ ሴት ኮምፕሊት እንደሆነ ቢታይም የተፈለጉ ዳታ ኤሌመንቶች ሙሉ በሙሉ አልተሟሉ። አስፈላጊ ዳታ ኤሌመንቶች ሳይገባ እንደገባ እንዲታሰብ ያደርጋል። ኮንተንት ኮምፕሊትነስ አፕሊኬሽን ይህን ችግር ለማስተካከል ይረዳናል። ምክንያቱም ዳታ ሴቱ ኮምፕሊት መባሉን ብቻ ሳይሆን ሙሉ በሙሉ መግባት ያለባቸው ዳታ ኤሌመንቶች እንደተሞሉ ይፈትሽልናል። Here is how content completeness application work. The first is selection. Choose the dataset, period, and organization you need. Then the application counts how many data elements contain the actual value. It compares this number with the total expected data element. Then it finally generates the completeness rate in percentage. Content completeness application ለመጠቀም HIS2 ላይ በመግባት ሜኑ ላይ content completeness application ሰርች እናደርጋለን። እሱን ከተጫንን በኋላ ኦርጋናይዜሽን ዩኒት ዳታ ሴት እና ፔሪድ እንመርጣለን። አፕሊኬሽኑ ምን ያህል ዳታ ኤሌመንት አክቹዋል ቫልዩ ይዟል የሚለውን ይቆጥርና ሊኖረው ከሚገባው ጋር ያነጻጽራል። በመቀጠልም ኮምፕሊትነስ ሬትን በፐርሰንት ያስቀምጥልናል። Let's interpret the result. The content completeness rate is simple to understand. If it is 100%, all expected data elements contain a value. If it is below 100%, some data elements are missing value. If it is above 100%, this happens in special case. Sometimes the content completeness rate can show more than 100%. Don't worry, this is not an error. It happens because a controlled data elements. For example, a question like RMNSH NC care service provided, decide which data field should be filled. If the answer is yes, those NC fields are included in the calculation. If it is no, they are excluded. But if someone still entered the data for those excluded fields, the numerator becomes larger than the denominator, making the rate appear more than 100%. By using content completeness application, health worker and manager gain a true picture of completeness, and false reporting of completed data set is avoided. Decision maker get a reliable and actionable data. Thank you for watching. Together, we can improve data quality and ensure a stronger health outcome.